Go Green Road Repair Tape is a quick pavement repairing material for solving pavement cracks and repair pockmarked road. The main material is high polymer modified asphalt, and the particles are fired from basalt with a certain gradation. Easy construction, no smoke and dust emissions. Fast construction, quickly open to traffic. Sealed and waterproof functions. Anti-slip and noise reduction. Open to traffic immediately, no waiting. Cost saving. Go Green Road Repair Tape construction works with only 2 people. No large equipment is required. High and low temperature resistance from -40 degree to 90 degree.